You're going to need the following ingredients. First of all, you need pizza dough, 100 milliliter tomato sauce, 150 gram mozzarella, 8 slices of salami, basil and some olives, and at last black pepper, salt and oregano. Now you are ready to prepare the pizza. I am preheating the oven at 250 degrees, so the pizza will be ready in 15 minutes. Then I add a pinch of salt, and now I am mixing half of the basil in the tomato sauce. After that I add some black pepper. I am dividing the tomato sauce over the entire pizza. Make sure that the entire pizza is covered. Afterwards, I am putting some salami on the pizza. Now place the mozzarella over the entire surface. Then put some olives on top of it. I am currently cutting the pepper in tiny pieces, and then I throw them on the pizza as well. Now I am folding the edges of the pizza so we get a crusty crust. Then I am placing the pizza in the oven for 15 minutes. And here you have your own delicious pizza.